This is Tutoriat and today we're talking about Animaker. Animaker is an animation maker which is used for making animated videos. So in my browser, which is Google Chrome, I will type sorry for that. So again in my browser I will type animaker.com. So when I type it, this page comes to me. So not too big. I will just click create your first video. It will redirect me to a page which is my dashboard. First I will move this one to here, and you can see that I have many templates for making a video, like product explainer video, brand tree campaign. I can just click preview or use to edit it. So I am just creating a blank one, so I click horizontal video and here I click blank. If you need some templates to do, you can click templates, but not for now. I'm clicking blank. So when I click blank, this is interface on which I will make a video. This interface has 5 parts. One is this big huge prop part, and this here will put the amazing scenes, and this where it's not too important, but we'll talk about it. And this is the most important, which is your timeline. So first I want to create a background. Whether I can go here and just pick a background, but you can also do is that just click anywhere in your timeline, double click to it, you can also do that. By default this will be your timeline. I can just click to this video icon and this 3 dot and 2D background. That's not working for now, so I will just choose this one. So when I click on it, this comes in my preview tab and also in my timeline. So if I want to add a character, so I will just do that. I will just click on this button and it gives me many characters. Remember, you need to access the paid version to remove this watermark. I'm currently on the free version, so that's why this watermark is coming to me. So I want this policeman here. I just want a different background. So let's check a different one. Here you have many backgrounds like office, gradient background, photo backgrounds, video backgrounds, business, and many more. But it's appeared. I will go for this one. Now what if I want a chair? I want a chair to sit him. So I will just click this button and I will search chair, and this is what I get. So I can give him any chair. I want this one. Yes, it's okay. So what to do if I want him to sit on the chair? Just a simple task. Just click this character. Here on the scene section you will see a bulk of actions. I will just not go that down. I will just search sitting, and that gives me it. So if I want him to drink coffee, okay, it's all right. So the next thing you would be asking about is that first, to do this thing, I want him to walk. I've given him the walk action and it's applied. So when I preview this scene, he's just walking on the same place. What to do if I want him to go here? It's a simple task. Just click on the character, and when I bring my cursor to here, it says smart move. I click on this and this appears. So you can do square, that a person starts from it and goes like that, a U-turn or anything. For now I'm just selecting left and right. I want him to be I want him to be out of scene and go then go in and just go out. It will walk in the middle. I will just click apply and you can see the timeline, that in the timeline it has appeared. So if I want him to walk slower, I can just bring this one to here. So let's check what. So now you can see that our character is walking too fastly. Why he's walking fastly is because I didn't click apply. Now when I click apply, he will be walking slower. Just look at this. Now he's walking in a direction and he's not walking on the same place. Now what to do if I want him to do multiple actions? So I will just bring this character, he's out of scene, okay. He comes in and stops here. So there's a very good thing called Action Plus in Animaker. Now I will apply the same to here. Okay, it's okay. And now I will remove this smart move from here. You can see reset. I will click this one and the smart move is removed. So what if I want him to do multiple actions? So there's very good software called Action Plus. When I bring my cursor to here, it says Action Plus. When I click on it, it gives me the actions that I want. First I want him to be here, then plus, and when he gets to here I can also manage the smart move. When he gets to here, I want him to wave. I'll just select wave. Okay, and then I want another action. So you will be asking that where the Action Plus went. So for that one, I'm just clicking this plus button, and here's that. So it's saying me action 1, action 2. Okay, so then I want him here, and I want him to walk out of scene again. So I'll again search walking and this way. So he'll be out of scene now. So let's preview it one time. So you can see that I want him to be slower. I want him to end on the end of the scene. So I'll just click apply and all work's done. So when I play it, he's walking here he stops and he waves and he goes out of scene. Good. Now I will remove the action plus from here and I will bring my character to here. Now you will be asking that I want him to ride on a bike, so I'll just say bike. This okay? And I want him to ride bike. When I write this, it also gives me a preview of him in a bike, so I will just click this one and I will remove this prop. I will right click and delete. The background for this is not good, so I will select background and down this one, that he's going all over the city. Okay, here, and let's use the smart move here. He goes all from the city. So if what you will be asking that where do you do this, that second appears. So when you see this small dot, I will click on it and the second one appears. I will click on the first one and I will drag it out of the scene. So it looks like that he has ride all from the city. I'll make it a little slow, and you'll be asking that what to do if we want our scene to be shorter. So it's very easy. Here's the plus button to increase 1 second and here's the minus button to decrease 1 second. So if I want plus, now if you see our scene is 11 seconds, and if I minus it, now you can see our scene is 10 seconds. So it's not too difficult. This software is very easy. So you'll be asking that what about a text? So adding a text is also just like adding a character or anything. First I want to show you that here the scene, I have processed it and I will say this scene okay. It's okay, so I will add a new scene. So here I click add scene and another scene is added here. So if I want him to go to a place like this one, okay, he is buying snacks, okay, so I will give this store a name. So just here, click here and click here, add a heading, and I will name this store Daddy's Mad. Okay, the name's okay. I will drag this one to here. It's very easy to manage other things like adding text and anything. If you click on here and this screen doesn't appear, just click on this and click settings. When I click on settings, this screen appears. So here you have many things like enter effect. I want any effect to him to enter. So this is text, so I want no effect. And you can also see the exit effect. Letter spacing, you can also do letter spacing, that how much space is there between a letter. The transparency of the text, also called the opacity, and the size of the text and other things you see normally. So it's okay, but I want this text to be in 2 lines. Obviously you will just do is that you will just click enter and there will be 2 lines, but here it is, and also that you click enter, and when I do this the text becomes bigger, and if you will be saying that I want this text, every letter to be in a line. So for that one, I'm just going to decrease this one and just see this. Okay, so I will bring that policeman over to here. And what if I want him to face the back? You will be just clicking flip, but it's not the way, because he will not move backwards. You have to select here an action of backward. If you see no results found, then there also is a solution that you will click that is nothing, because there is no other solution for it. One thing I forgot to tell you is expressions. I can also give him an expression like smiling or sad. He looks sad. I will make it a bit bigger so you can see his face. Look, he looks sad. Now if I want him to look angry, he looks angry. I want him to look happy, unimpressed, star, and etc. For now I will keep him smiling. So you will be asking that everything is done. What about a transition? So transition putting is even easier than adding a character or anything. It's even easier than that. When you see the normal scenes, can you see this minus button? When I click on this, it gives me a bunch of transitions. I can click basic, slide left, slide top, slide bottom, slide right. It's very easy. So if I want this one, there are also some special transitions to paint wall fade, paint flow, bright square, metal door close, and anything. So if I want triangles in, look this, and when I just move the cursor over here, it also gives me a preview of it. And when the transition is applied, it also gives me the image that the transition is applied here. And I can also, when one transition is applied, I can click here and add any other transition. So that's what we have. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutoriat, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, share, and subscribe to our videos. And like always, stay innovative. Thank you.